goes through what's pulling up.
Who's the supervisor?
With Mrs. Power.
All right, they need to come down then and supervise because this has been reset since on Fabian Cardenas. All right, what is happening with this case?
Right out the gate, this isn't your average courtroom hearing. Fabian Cardenas is back, and the judge is losing patience with delays. For months of waiting? Viewers, would you have that kind of patience if someone kept dodging accountability?
Case, let Mr. Barr know Brittany Mitchell's handling the lead on this. He does have a pending, a new case pending, and still awaiting indictment at this case. It does involve significant media attention, so we're trying to reach a global resolution to this.
Okay, because you know I don't care about media attention.
Absolutely.
I'm going to make my ruling based upon what I have before me. Did I see the file on Fabian Cardenas, please? All right. So he has this case, which is...
That's $1 million question. Fabian's already on probation for evading, and now he's staring down fresh allegations. When a new charge comes in before an old one is resolved, it complicates everything. Think of it like stacking penalties in a video game.
He's on, I guess, probation for evading. What is the new case?
It's an endangering of a child crime.
All right. So when are you all going to have that information? Because this motion to revoke, there is other allegations. Why can't we proceed?
Your Honor, I've been made aware that prior to indicting this case, it would involve a conversation with our supervisor. I don't know if that conversation has been made or had been had at this point. So that's what's pulling up.
Who's the supervisor?
With Mrs. Power.
All right, they need to come down then and supervise because this has been reset since July 20th of 2023. And how long has this allegation of endangering been out there?
May 6th, Your Honor. Yeah.
All right, so technically we've been waiting since May of 2023 for a supervisor. So that's May. I'm not even going to count May. June, July, August, September, 4 months. So I'm going to set this for a contested. It's going to be set in October, and it's going in October. So whatever supervisor is doing whatever, they need to do something by that time.
Boom. Judge makes it crystal clear. Headlines won't sway her ruling. Do you agree? Should high-profile cases be treated differently, or should judges always block out the noise?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need an October date for a contested hearing on Fabian Cardenas. Okay, October 19th. All right. And when I said I don't care about the media, I think media is great to keep citizens informed, but my decisions are not based upon popularity or my decision is not based upon whether a case is in the media or not. My decision is based upon whatever evidence is brought to me, and I make a decision based on that. That's why when you have jurors, you tell them all your evidence that you receive is supposed to come from inside the courtroom, not what everybody else is saying. All right?
Understood.
All right, so we'll give you a reset form for October 19th.
Thank you.
All right, with regards to this case, there's going to be someone was going to look into whether or not mental health court would accept him.
Yes, Your Honor.
And
so let me check on the status.
Your Honor, he did go through the evaluation process. He was accepted into the program. He was going to be housed. However,
this moment hits hard. The system acknowledges mental health struggles, yet sometimes doors still slam shut without explanation. It's a stark reminder of how many defendants fall into the cracks between law and treatment.
Or staffed, as they say, staffed. I believe the district attorney's office did not accept the case being moved to mental health court. That's my understanding, Your Honor.
All right.
I believe that's correct. Your Honor.
All right. I don't know why they wouldn't accept you in a mental health court and you have mental health issues, but thank you. And they don't tell me a reason why they rejected you. They're just like rejected. I guess sometimes when they think things are a hard case, they're like, we're not going to work with it because they don't give me a reason why they rejected you. So, Mr. Torres Rivera, you have a plea bargain agreement with the state where they're offering you deferred adjudication. So I guess I'm going to have to work with it. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
So is calling 2023 CR 0789 State of Texas versus one Carlo Torres Rivera. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
For the state.
Defense.
Armando Roman, Your Honor, for the defense.
And Mr. Torres Rivera, if you can unmute yourself, please. All right. And Mr. Ramon, are you able to show your video or no?
Your Honor, I have it as showing, but I don't know why it's blacked out. I don't know if it's a problem with my camera.
All right, let me stop your video on this end and then request that you restart it. Oh, do you have the slide on the top?
No.
No. Or are you on a computer or a phone?
Computer.
Do you have the camera that you press down in the top and then it pops up?
No.
Yeah, he doesn't have any of that. We've reached the limit of our skills. All right. Any objection to Armando Ramon appearing by video?
No objection.
Any objection to his client appearing by video?
No objection.
Any objection to Mr. Ramon not having his video up?
No objection.
All right. So according to the...
And just like that, we shift from Fabian Stoll case to Rivera's fate. Watch closely. This plea deal isn't just about punishment. It's about rebuilding someone struggling with mental health issues.
Plea bargain agreement that you entered into on July 11th, it was to a misdemeanor, assault, injury, family violence, household. You entered a plea of no contest. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
State?
Nothing. Yeah. Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right. Probation? No. I threw you off, right, by asking you. Because now we're going to have to figure out what services we can provide for Mr. Torres, because obviously he has mental health issues. Mr. Torres, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand and make sure you keep your voice up so the court reporter can hear. Could you state your name for the record?
Giancarlo Rivera.
Mr. Rivera, do you have a place to live if you were released today?
Yes, ma'am.
Where would you be? Well, who would you be living with?
With my mom.
All right. Does your mom want you living with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you asked?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Who else is in the household other than your mother?
My two brothers.
And how old are they?
120, 115.
20 and 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
What's your mental health diagnosis?
I understand that, man.
Well, what are people saying your mental health is?
My dad told me that I need help. My mom too. So
No, I mean, are you bipolar? Or is somebody saying you bipolar? Are they saying you're schizophrenic? What are they saying?
no, I said the anxiety and depression.
Okay. Have you ever been employed?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
Yuha.
I'm sorry, what?
Yuha.
Okay. What does that
U-Haul,
mean?
U-Haul, Your Honor.
I mean, what does that mean?
Cleaning storage.
I'm sorry, what? Doing storage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you do with storage?
Cleaning
How far did you go in school?
to graduate.
All right, any other questions from anyone?
Not from the state.
Mr.
No
Ramon,
problem.
any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, I'll sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, anger management. Probation, if you could do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home healthcare provider with regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, field visits, and the field visits will be in place until he gets a case manager from Center for Healthcare Services. So there'll be field visits one time every 2 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Your Honor, can we do a, I want to do a quick referral.
Yes. And a MIC referral. All right. Did you want that in custody or out of custody? All right. That'll be a MIC referral out of custody. Mr. Rivera, if you do not make these appointments, what's going to end up happening is a warrant could be issued for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
The judge cuts through the noise with a life lesson. Choices now shape futures. If you were in Rivera's shoes, family pressures, mental health struggles, and probation hanging over you, what would your next move be?
You need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. I am going to place you in breakout room number 1. Mr. Rivera, from here on out, communication is very important. If you have a question about something, if you feel probation is not addressing that, you can always come to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to move you to breakout room.
22.
You're going to have to start making better decisions in your life. You understand? What are you doing with your future?
I'm just working. I'm working at a restaurant, so I can take over the family restaurant in Arkansas.
Sorry, do what?
Oh, my bad. Currently working at a restaurant. So
No, your mistake, not my bad.
My mistake.
Okay.
I'm currently working at a restaurant to build my background, so I can take over the family restaurant in Arkansas.
All right. So there's a family restaurant in Arkansas? And what type of food do they have?
Barbecue.
Is it good barbecue?
It's funny to love it.
I would love it.
It's Arkansas barbecue though, isn't it?
Okay. So are you planning on going to live back in Arkansas?
And 6 more months of the job I'm at, so I can build my experience.
Why are there no restaurants in Arkansas to build your experience?
My cousin wants me to do it down here. He just doesn't want me to go all the way up there and be like, oh, I don't love it anymore. And then just come back for no reason.
All right. And is this your first cousin?
Yes, ma'am.
And are your parents aware of this? Where are your parents?
My mom's actually at work right now, but she's aware of it.
Okay. And is she in San Antonio?
Yes.
So all your other family is here in San Antonio?
Just my grandmother, my grandpa, and a few of my aunts.
Okay. How far did you go in school?
I graduated.
All right. You know, they have plenty of classes that you can take at San Antonio College, Monte Vista, all these different places to give you a little bit more background in restaurant business. And I think they have some classes that are free. So you wouldn't be in any debt and you'd have more knowledge.
Definitely looking to.
We should Google that.
Yes.
Sounds
Okay.
good.
All right. Well, we'll see you back on October 19th. Just sign the reset form and you're excused.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.